Today we're going to scratch up this front yard and put some different seed down. You can see it's all tore up here. It's a little sparse. This is where the dog likes to go to the bathroom all the time. We got some dead spots up here. So we're gonna go ahead and get out our Sun Joe Detatcher. And tear it apart. I just did a little bit here. All dead stuff. This dethatcher does come with a Scarifier attachment, but I highly recommend if you have rocky soil to stick with the tines because it's prone to breaking the machine. Whole first pass of the lawn is done. Setting was on 5 millimeters. I did not go to 0. 0 was too. 0 will dig up too much of the grass, but you can see for the most part got up quite a bit, and that was going one way. Now we're gonna go in a different direction and see how that works. Well, the whole front yard here is done. Up and down, left and right. You can definitely see the line back there. Right in here where we stopped. So now we're gonna rake it up and see what it looks like. So here it is, Sun Joe Dethatcher. Look at all that thatch. We're gonna take this and go spread that around in the garden. And then we'll mix that in about a month or so. I got this no frills grass seed mix from Tractor Supply, 5 pounds, deep shade. The area that we're covering gets, sun only for a couple hours a day. It'll get it in the morning, and then it's shaded by the trees and shaded by the house. So we just need a different mix in here. This has got more ryegrass and the fescues that'll help. I don't know what the mix is that's out there now. I'm assuming it's some cool grass mix between rye, fescue, and bluegrass, but we need a little bit more shade mix in here. Here it is all done. Seed is down. Dethatching is done. You can still see that line back there where we stopped. And this will green up in no time. We've got 3 days of rain coming, so we'll let Mother Nature do her work. If you have any questions about the Sun Joe Dethatcher, leave a comment. Until next time, we'll see you later.